let's take one example on transistor. For the circuit shown below, determine the value of VCE when Vin is equal to 0. Calculate minimum value of IB, that is base current, to saturate transistor if beta DC is 100. Assume voltage between collector to emitter saturation is 0.2 volts. Another sub question is calculate the maximum value of RB when Vin is equal to 5 volt. So here the circuit is given. At the base of the transistor, resistor RB is connected. To that, voltage Vin is given, and here at collector side, collector resistor is connected, and in series to that VCC is connected. And we know that in transistor, output is taken across the collector terminal. So here in this example, this is the base terminal of the transistor and this is emitter terminal of the transistor. The first sub question is determine the value of VCE when Vin is equal to 0. VCE is nothing but, we know that this is collector terminal of the transistor. The voltage between collector to emitter is known as VCE. So VCE is collector to emitter terminal voltage, that is VCE. First let's apply in transistor. This loop is known as outer loop and this is known as input loop, or this is known as output loop. This loop is known as output loop and this is known as input loop. If we apply KVL to the output loop, I can write the expression as this is VCC is equal to drop across this RC. Assume that current IC is flowing here. Drop across RC is nothing but IC into RC plus voltage between collector and emitter, that is VCE. In this example, we supposed to calculate the VCE. Therefore, I can write VCE is equal to VCC minus IC into RC. Here the given data is we calculate VCE when Vin is equal to 0. So when Vin is 0, IB is 0. So when we know that beta is equal to IC by IB. Therefore when Vin is 0, IB is 0, therefore IC is also 0. Therefore here IC value is 0. So I can write VCE is equal to VCC. VCC value is given 10, IC value is 0. Therefore VCE is equal to 10 volts. So this is the solution for first sub question, that is determine the value of VCE when Vin is equal to 0. That is VCE value is 10 volts when Vin is equal to 0. Let's find the second sub question. Calculate minimum value of IB to saturate transistor if beta DC is 100. Assume VCE saturation value is 0.2 volt. It means that the transistor to be saturate, it depends on the collector current. So first we'll calculate the collector current with the help of the same formula, that is VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. So now I can say from equation 1 I can write IC is equal to VCC minus VCE divided by RC. VCC minus VCE divided by RC. So here the VCC value is 10. VCE value is calculated, that is 10 volt. Here VCC value is 10 and VCE saturation value he has given, that is 0.2 volts minus 0.2. VCE is nothing but VCE saturation divided by RC. RC is collector resistance value, that is 1 kilo ohm. So solving this, we'll get IC is equal to 10 minus 0.2 divided by 1 kilo. It gives 9.8 milliamps. So now we are supposed to calculate the minimum value of IB, that is base current. So I can write, we know that beta is equal to IC by IB, therefore IB is equal to IC divided by beta. So I can write here IB, I can write it as minimum because I need to calculate IB minimum, which is equal to, with the help of this relation I can find IB is equal to IC by beta, that is IC divided by beta. So IC value is 9.8 milliamps divided by beta value given is 100. So I can write it as 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is milli, divided by 100, which gives 9.8 milli divided by 100, that is 98 microamps, that is 10 raised to minus 6 is microamps. Therefore IB minimum is, I can say, 98 microamp. This is the solution for second sub question. So here the Vin value is, we supposed to consider 5 volt and we have to calculate the maximum value of RB. So this is called input loop of the transistor. Let's apply KVL to the input loop of the transistor. So if I apply KVL, so we know that the current flowing in base is IB. So I can say Vin is equal to IB into RB plus voltage between base and emitter, that is nothing but VBE, that is voltage between base and emitter is known as VBE. So I can write Vin is equal to drop across RB, that is IB plus RB, plus voltage between base and emitter, that is VBE. We'll call it as equation number 2. Now with the help of equation number 2, we will calculate the maximum value of RB. I'll rewrite equation number 2 here, that is Vin is equal to IB RB plus VBE. I'll call it as equation number 2. So here the Vin value is given, that is 5 IB RB plus VBE for silicon transistor is 0.7 volts. So therefore I can write IB RB is equal to 5 minus 0.7 volt. So here IB RB is nothing but voltage across resistor RB, that is VRB is equal to IB into RB. Therefore I can write VRB is equal to 4.3 volts. Now we are supposed to calculate maximum value of RB. Therefore from this equation I can write RB is equal to VRB divided by IB. VRB is 4.3 volts and IB value is already we have calculated, that is 98. RB max will be obtained when IB value is minimum. So IB value, minimum value is calculated, that is 98 microamps. Therefore RB max is equal to 4.3 divided by 98 micro, which is equal to 43.87 kilo ohm. This is the required solution for sub question 3.